Hey everybody, it's Shannon Gregg from Cloud Adoption Solutions.
And I'm Natalie Battista from Cloud Adoption Solutions.
We are super excited to talk to you today about something that I think is very confusing, and that is the difference in Salesforce between case management and Service Cloud. So Natalie, I have a question for you.
Sure.
Do you think other people know the difference between case management and Service Cloud?
That's such a great question, and the quick answer to that is you can't have one without the other. So let's think about this. Case management has specific offerings, and so does Service Cloud. Case management, for all of you who may or may not be familiar with, is kind of similar to help desk tickets and being able to log and troubleshoot and things like that. So case management comes with Sales Cloud. It's not an added cost, it comes with the licensing. So case management lets you do email to case, web to case, case assignment rules, case auto response rules, service console. So if you want to set up your case layout page in a certain manner to make things more productive for your users, you can do that. So that's case management. Service Cloud, so that's a different offering, meaning it has its own licensing and structure. So obviously reach out to your Salesforce AE for any pricing, but Service Cloud is functionality that has, number one, case management in it. So in addition to that, omni-channel routing. So that means you can route your cases based upon volume or based upon level of expertise of your agent. Entitlements, service level agreements, there's escalation rules, there's live agent or live chat. There's also social service, meaning if you have posting processes where if you guys use Twitter and you want people to reach out to you via Twitter and be able to submit cases, you can have that as an offering. It has CTI integration, so if you're using a soft phone for your agents, that's part of Service Cloud licensing. So just basically keeping in mind, case management itself is a Sales Cloud fully baked feature, no added cost. Service Cloud is its own pricing, structure, licensing, but it has a bunch of other benefits for your users.
I'm so glad that you told me about this because I've been working on Salesforce for over a decade, and I don't think I realized case management was something you could use in Sales Cloud. And I can think of a lot of instances where people might benefit from trying out case management in Sales Cloud before they make the full Service Cloud investment, right? So what are ways that you think people could take advantage of case management before they dive into the full bore Service Cloud?
That's a great question. I think if you are wondering whether or not it's a solution for you, just reach out to us. Our information's at the end of the video. We'll be happy to give you an assessment to let you figure out if you need to get a full-blown Service Cloud implementation or if you just need to use case management.
That is awesome. Well, thank you for explaining that, not just to me, but to everybody else. I think it's great to hear that case management is something that sort of, if there's a Venn diagram between Sales Cloud and Service Cloud, the case management sits in the middle. So it's a really cool feature to understand.
Exactly.
Well, thanks everybody for watching.